Ingenuity landed on the floors of Mars' gas crater in Feb 2021, along with NASA's Mars Perseverance rover. The chopper's main goal was to show the aerial exploration is possible on Mars deposit, the planet's thin atmosphere. Perseverance rover was Ingenuity Mars helicopter's 54th flight. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover captured this video of Ingenuity Mars helicopter's 54th flight on 3rd August 2023. After performing a pre-flight wing check with its rotors, helicopter takes off, hovers an altitude of 16 feet 5 meters and rotates to the left before touching down. The mission conducted the short pop-up flight to check Ingenuity's navigation system. This video was captured by the rover's Muskin jet from a distance of 180 feet 55 meters. If you like this, hit thumbs up and don't forget to share to your friends. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.